Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? It's your girl Rose. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make one of my very special recipes. Okay, so you guys should stick with me on this video, and I hope you learn a thing or two, and I hope you like this video and share it as well. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the recipes that I'm going to be using for this particular video. So this is onions, green beans, green pepper, arado pepper, chicken broth, carrots, spring onions, chicken, seasoning cubes, and salt, curry, and seasoning powder. So those are everything you need for this particular recipe, and you can pair this with your white rice, have it with yam, just enjoy it any way you want. Thompson. Some is so cool. What I just before presenting it. That's okay. Thank you guys for sticking with me on this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give it a huge and massive thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and hit that notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first person to be notified. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.